Hi guys, it's Sarah from Pirate Lotus Boutique with my second curated bead box unboxing. This month's theme is Summer Sound. A list of everything that's in this. And you get findings with every box. I already took the tissue paper out, so it won't be making as much noise. Let's go ahead and get everything out here. Alright. This is one of my favorite bead box subscriptions. I only get two, but I really like both of them, so I'm excited. This month is very pretty, I think. Okay, first is a 10mm pink glass pearl bead 8-inch strand. I believe, yeah, here we go. Is a very bright and pretty color pink. Very pretty. I'm a little disappointed that they're 10mm, but that's just because I like the pearl beads to be smaller, the glass ones. As a bracelet, they're a little too big, so yeah. But it's okay, I still love them. That's all that matters. Oh, you may notice my bracelet. I made this a couple nights ago from a couple different beads boxes from the last few months, and a toggle clasp that I got as a free gift from Bead Box Bargains, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah. You'll probably see that in a few videos because I really like wearing it. Next is 10mm khaki pink duo style glass beads, which I believe are these, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I wish that there were more because these are beautiful. Just the colors of these are just absolutely gorgeous. Pink is one of my favorite colors, so I'm definitely loving this one so far. Oh, yeah. I think this one might be my favorite of the beads on there. Just stands out more. Next, we have 8mm Drizzle apple green glass bead in a 10.5-inch strand. I believe these. Come on, focus. Thank you. These look a little bit like pearls, but they have drizzles on them, which is really cute. Just trying to get it to focus on them a little bit. There we go. Very cool. Not too bad. It's easy covered up when they're next to another bead or with bead caps, so it's not a big deal to me anyway. Next is 8mm rose quartz duo style glass beads in a 10.5-inch strand. I believe that is these. I like how they got that little foiling stuff inside, so they look like they have some texture going on. Gives it definitely something unique to them. They're very tight in there, I can barely get it to move. Very pretty. I can't wait to use these. I got my mind on Halloween stuff, so I'm not really thinking too much of what I can do with these yet. Next is 8mm silver jade style glass beads in a 16-inch strand, which is this one. Very long strand of beads here. Can't completely see through them, but I think that's what I like about them. Which I think is how Jade usually is, and since it's Jade style, that makes a lot of sense. Now is 8mm antique silver rustic glass pearl beads in a 16-inch strand. I believe that is these here. Which I love the feel of these. They feel kind of like just, I'm not sure I can explain it other than like just you can feel the texture on it. I love it. These are really cool. These are gonna look cute as either bracelets or necklaces, I think. I'm really excited about those. Next is 6mm apple green Crackle glass beads, which I am also excited about. It's a 16-inch strand. I love Crackle glass. I don't think I actually have any 6mm, so this is really cool. Let's see the effects inside. Looks like crackles. This is very pretty. I also like the green color. It does make me think of a green apple, like the green apple suckers. Oh man, what were the ones with the caramel on them? I can't remember what brand they were. Those are good. 6mm pink semi-opaque faceted glass beads in a 10.5-inch strand. Well, I'm not sure which one it is, but I think it's this one. I have two pink ones here. Which I think might be these, but I could be wrong. I love how shiny they are. They're very light pink. I love it. These would be really nice on bracelets, like as like accents, I think. Really need to get my mind off Halloween stuff though and actually think of stuff to do with these. Oops, sorry about that. That's my camera. Next is 6mm pink faceted glass beads, also on a 10-inch strand, which I believe are these. Which I really like. Get the focus here. They're almost like a peach color, I think. They're very pretty. Next is 8 to 10mm green jade gemstone chips, which I am highly excited about because I make Tree of Life pendants, and these are going to be so awesome for that. I cannot wait to use these. I love gemstones anyway, so I'm really super excited about these. That's a lot of beads. I'm so excited. Whenever I get gemstone beads, especially when they're natural, I just absolutely love it. I feel happy. Alright, we got 2 extra things this month. 6-0 fuchsia I want to say Scion glass beads. I hope I'm saying that right. A 1 ounce bag. I cannot wait to use these. These are I love getting seed beads because I don't have a lot of them right now, and I could really use a lot for a lot of things. I want to make like more of these. I use seed beads on here in some spots. Alright. Next is a 1.5 to 2 ounce bag of gorgeous green glass bead mix. This I was actually pretty shocked because I'm used to getting beads in bags from them, so but we have been the last few months. Oh no! Runaway beads! I like this one. I love getting these weird shaped ones because they're just really cool. Oh, there's a little one. Oh. These are gonna be so cute. I like there's different colored greens and different sizes and maybe some faceted ones. Super tiny. I think I see a seed bead over here. Oh, run away! Beads are going everywhere, but there's so many colors in here. I just really like this. I don't know what I'll do with these yet. I might try to do some kind of bracelet or necklace, maybe. This is a really cute bead. I wish there were more of these in it. But yeah, let's try to put those here somewhere. And last but not least is the bag of findings that you get every month. This month is silver. I keep looking forward to a month we get rose gold, but I don't know if we will. Memory wire, always useful. Head pins, also extremely useful. I actually needed some more silver ones, so that's amazing. Jump rings, very handy as well, especially if you're just starting out and don't have a lot. This is a really good bead box for you. And something else I'm running low on, silver crypt beads. Ear wire, which they did tell me, I contacted them and asked, their findings are lead free and nickel free, so that's a good thing. These are some lobster claw clasps. Stretch cord and some stringing wire. So that's all for this month. And hopefully soon I will be able to make some stuff from it and show you guys. I know I promised some from last month and I will show those as well. I did forget, well, I didn't forget we are having some family stuff going on, so but yeah, hopefully next will be a video on finished pieces or my bead box bargain box. We'll see, whichever one happens first. So that's it for now. I think I got all the beads, and I will be sure to link the site below in case you want to subscribe. Feel free, if you haven't, to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. That would be awesome too. Thank you for watching. Bye.